In this video, we're going to look at creating a post with an image. Now, to do that, the first thing you have to do is log on to your blog and access the dashboard. We've talked about a couple of ways in previous videos that you can log on to your blog. You can do that by going to wordpress.com or by going to your blog and choosing to log in from there. Remember, your blog address should be your WordPress username.wordpress.com. Whichever method you choose to log in, you need to access the dashboard for your blog. And from there, we can create a post with an image. Now, our last video talked a little bit about creating basic posts. So to do a post with an image, we're going to start in the same place. We're going to go over to our Post tab over here, and we can choose to do all posts, add new posts, categories, tags, or copy a post. In this case, we want to add a new post. Now, just like in our last video, the post editor is very much like an email editor. It allows you to do everything here visually, much like you would in a word processor. All I have to do is enter the title, and then in the text box here, I can add some content. Now that I have some content in my post, I want to add my image. To do that, up at the top of the editor box where it says Upload and Insert, I have the option to add media, insert a poll, or a custom form. In this case, I want to add media. If I click on that button, it opens the Add Media dialog box. Now, WordPress will allow you to upload images, video, and other file types. You'll notice that it is saying that I'm using only 49.k kilobytes of my 3 gigabytes of space. To actually upload our image, I'm going to need to go down here where it will allow me to drop files straight from Windows Explorer or Finder, depending on your system. The easiest way, or the way that I find most simplest, is just to do the select files. This will open up a file window that will allow you to locate those files, say on the desktop, pick the file, and choose Open. Once you've done that and it's uploaded, and this file is really small so it only took a few seconds, it actually will load it at the bottom of the screen. And you'll see that it gives me a couple of options here. Change the alignment of how it's going to be inserted into the post, whether I don't want any alignment settings, make it left aligned, center it, or right aligned. I'm going to choose center. It also has options as to what size the image is imported into your post. We can choose a thumbnail, a medium size, a large size, or a full-size image. This image isn't very big, and you'll notice it shows the pixel size in parentheses off to the side. So I'm going to choose to have it come in at full size. Now I can go ahead from here and insert this to the post. Click Insert. And there's my image in the post. If I want to, I can continue on editing from here inside the editor. In fact, I can add a second photo. Now the second photo I've actually already preloaded into WordPress. To add images beforehand, you can always go to the Media tab. And the Media tab allows us to view our library, which will show all the files that we've uploaded to WordPress, or to add new files. And this will actually open the same dialog box we just had open a minute ago. Now, still looking at my post here, however, I can still access the library from the post editor. In fact, if I go back to that upload and insert option for media, I can choose, instead of adding files, the gallery or media library. If I choose media library, it'll show me all the files that I've uploaded. And I can come in here and choose this second photo that I've pre-uploaded. If I click on show, it'll show me the details for this photo, and then once again it'll have options on how I want to attach this photo into the post. And I'm going to just do full size and centered like the last one, and I'm going to insert into post. And you can see that it loads up here. So I've got 2 pictures in my post. Remember, when saving posts, to always choose a category for your post. I'm going to choose the GIT 221, and then finally I'm going to publish my post. Whenever you publish a post, it'll automatically take you to your WordPress blog, and it'll show you the post page. This is the post itself, and you can see that it shows me my first picture and my second picture. You can also go back to home and see how it looks on the home page. And that is inserting an image into a post.